guys, it's me, Ariana Mancuso, and today we are going to be doing a video where we're going to be using some bath crackles. So bath crackles are kind of just like Pop Rocks, but they go in your bath. But I'm not getting in the bath, I'm using a bowl. So they kind of just like pop, fizz, and snap, as it says on the front. So we're going to get started, and just if you're wondering, these are what they look like. So yes, they look like Pop Rocks, and they look like candy that you would get from It's Sugar. So yeah, and I have some miniature bowls inside of here. Put my other bath crackles in here, and then put them into the bowl. So we're going to fill the bowl up with my sink that's right here. So let's get started. So guys, we have our bowl that's filling up. So yeah, so see when it gets done. So I think we're pretty much done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of leave my bowl in the sink. And we're going to start filling up our bowls. Alright. Alright, so we got our first one done. Well, our second one. I don't know where I should put this. Alright, I'm going to put that right there. Got the next one. So I'll see when I get this one done. So, got this one done. We have about 2 more left. Alright, so yeah. So I'm going to see when I get both of these filled up. Just to let you know, I'm not in my PJs. I'm in leggings with my Force Pick shirt on, so these are not PJs. But anyways, I gotta go fill these up. So I have both of my things filled up. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things done. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pour this in here. So let me reposition y'all. Alright, so this is where y'all can stay. Alright, so let's pour the first one in. Alright, these are definitely like Pop Rocks. Alright, so we're back, and I actually took my hair out. On one of the directions, it said it said to fill the bath with water. Well, I'm using the bowl, so. Pour a little or a lot. Swirl the water and listen as the magic bath crackles pop and crack. Oh, it's all supposed to like stir this up or something. I'm not sure. I think I'm supposed to stir it up. Alright, we're going to use this. Alright. I'm pretty sure it was supposed to like change the color. Oh, that's really long. Really? These are a waste. Alright, we're going to pour 2 in. Ready, set, go. Whoa, those are really loud. So this is what it looks like right now. It feels like sand, like the wet sand at the beach. I kind of want to eat them, but I'm not They look like Pop Rocks. Well, I'm not stupid. Alright. So I'm going to show y'all from, like, where I hold the pen like this. So, alright. So we're going to pour this one in. Now we're going to pour our last one in. Whoa. I did definitely change the water. It's really loud and it's very annoying. So now the water's like a dark blue. It's kind of like the color of my shirt. No! These are my hair ties. Alright, I think what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to pour them into my bath. So, let me get that set up. Alright, so I think we're probably going to need just a little bit more water for this. So I'm going to fill it up with bowls because I don't really want to run the bath water because I don't want my mom to get mad at me. So I'm going to do the old-fashioned way. I'm only literally going to do just a little bit. I don't really need that much because we've got water right here. So I'll see when I get a lot of water in there, but some. Oh, you can still kind of hear the bath crackles still going. I'm super excited tonight because tonight we're having steak and baked potatoes, and I love A1 sauce. So tonight I finally get to use A1 sauce. Alright, so I got most of it. I think this will be good. Kind of doesn't really look like there's anything in here, but trust me, there is. Ah, my feet are wet. Alright, so now I'm going to kind of position y'all right here. If you don't know what I'm using my phone to hold y'all up, I'm actually just using a candle, like, this is what I'm using, because I don't have a camera stand. Alright, so now it's time to pour the jackpot in. Alright, in three,